Let's talk hacking, but not the Hollywood kind. We're diving into ethical hacking, the good guys who find security holes to help companies fix them before real threats strike. In a world where everything's online, cybersecurity is more important than ever, and it's a field that's growing fast. But how do you get started? It can feel like an exclusive club, but you don't need to spend a dime to begin. There are incredible free resources and a welcoming community ready to help. In this video, I'll share my top 5 free platforms for learning ethical hacking, what they offer, who they're for, and how to use them to level up your skills. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, these platforms have you covered. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the best free training grounds for ethical hackers in 2025. No sponsors, no gimmicks. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Hack the Box, often called HTB for short. If you've spent any time browsing hacking forums or cybersecurity communities, you've definitely seen this name pop up again and again. HTB is widely recognized as the ultimate playground for hands-on hacking. It's not just a website, it's a full-on training ground that's challenging, realistic, and expects you to learn by doing, not just by reading. The core experience centers around what they call boxes, virtual machines intentionally loaded with vulnerabilities. Your mission is to break in, escalate your privileges, and capture 2 flags, one as a regular user, and one as the all-powerful root or administrator. Each box is a unique puzzle, covering a huge range of topics, from Windows and Linux systems to more obscure operating systems and complex, real-world vulnerabilities you might actually encounter in the field. To succeed, you'll need to research, chain together different techniques, and think critically at every step. There are no copy-paste solutions here. Every box pushes you to truly understand what you're doing. HTB is tough, especially for beginners, but that's exactly what makes it so rewarding. The sense of accomplishment when you finally root a box after hours of effort is unbeatable, and it's a feeling that keeps you coming back for more. The free tier gives you access to a rotating set of active boxes, enough to keep you busy for weeks or even months, depending on your pace. Retired boxes move to the paid tier, but honestly, the free content is more than enough to build a solid foundation and keep you learning for a long time. The community is incredibly active and helpful, with strict no-spoiler rules to keep things fair, but plenty of nudges, hints, and advice if you get stuck. You're never truly alone on your journey. There's also a global ranking system, so you can track your progress, see how you stack up against others, and even compete with hackers from all over the world. Beyond just boxes, HTB offers focused challenges in areas like cryptography, forensics, web exploitation, and more, perfect for sharpening specific skills or exploring new topics. The main limitation? You share machines with other users, so sometimes resets or interruptions can happen. But honestly, it's a small price to pay for access to such a rich, free resource. HTB is designed for ambitious learners who thrive on challenge, independent research, and a bit of trial and error. If you love solving problems and learning by doing, you'll fit right in. If you're looking for step-by-step hand-holding or easy walkthroughs, you might want to start elsewhere. But make Hack the Box your ultimate goal as you grow. It's honestly the closest you'll get to real-world penetration testing experience for free, and it's a fantastic way to build practical skills that employers value. In short, HTB is professional-grade, community-driven, and will absolutely push you to become a better hacker, no matter your starting point. If you're serious about cybersecurity and want to challenge yourself, Hack the Box is an essential stop on your journey. Don't miss out on what it has to offer. If Hack the Box is the deep end of the cybersecurity pool, where you're thrown into complex challenges right away, then TryHackMe is your friendly instructor waiting in the shallow pool, ready to guide you step by step and make sure you're comfortable before you dive deeper. TryHackMe is absolutely perfect for beginners. It offers guided rooms that walk you through cybersecurity concepts in a clear, structured way, breaking down even the most intimidating topics into manageable steps. Each room not only explains the theory behind the tools and techniques, but also demonstrates how to use them, and then gives you hands-on tasks. So you learn both the why and the how, all in one place. The in-browser attack machine is a game changer. You don't need to install or configure anything complicated. Just click a button and start hacking right from your browser, making it super accessible for everyone. Learning paths organize all the content into structured curriculums, guiding you from the absolute basics of cybersecurity to advanced penetration testing, so you always know what to learn next. You can start with guided rooms, where every step is explained, and then, as you gain confidence, move on to unguided challenge rooms that really test your skills and let you apply what you've learned. The free plan gives you access to a huge range of learning rooms and rotating challenges, so you can keep learning and practicing without spending a dime. The only catch is that the in-browser machine is limited to 1 hour per day for free users, but you can always set up your own virtual machine on your computer to keep practicing as much as you want, without any time limits. The TryHackMe community is incredibly supportive and focused on learning. If you ever get stuck, there are tons of people ready to help, answer questions, and encourage you to keep going. Gamification features like points, daily streaks, and global ranks keep you motivated and make learning feel like a fun game, not just another online course. For those looking for a challenge, there are even competitive events like King of the Hill, where you can test your skills against others and see how you stack up. TryHackMe is truly the best starting point for anyone new to ethical hacking or cybersecurity, offering a welcoming environment for all skill levels. Its guided learning paths, easy setup, and friendly community make cybersecurity accessible to everyone, no matter your background or experience. Even intermediate users will find plenty of value in the wide breadth of topics and advanced modules available, so you can keep growing your skills. In summary, TryHackMe builds your cybersecurity foundation brick by brick, giving you the confidence and skills you need to succeed. And when you're ready, it prepares you for tougher challenges ahead, setting you up for real-world success in cybersecurity. Now let's switch gears to Cybrary, a massive free digital library for cybersecurity. Unlike hands-on platforms, Cybrary focuses on video-based courses taught by industry experts. It's where you go to understand the theory behind the tools and techniques you use. The free tier offers a wealth of introductory and intermediate courses, covering everything from networking and cryptography to incident response and career development. Many courses align with industry certifications like CompTIA Security Plus and CISSP, giving you a structured path to certification prep. Some courses include virtual labs for hands-on practice, though not as extensive as other platforms. Cybrary's breadth is its strength. You can learn about pen testing, forensics, cloud security, and more. The instructors are real professionals, sharing practical insights and real-world stories. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, with skill assessments to help you plan your learning. Cybrary is for the student who wants to understand the why as much as the how. It's perfect for building a solid theoretical foundation, whether you're a beginner or looking to branch into new areas. In short, Cybrary is the academic backbone to your practical training, a must-have resource for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Next, let's go old school with OverTheWire, a minimalist, command-line-based series of war games that strips hacking down to its purest form. There are no flashy graphics, no points, and no leaderboards, just pure, unfiltered problem-solving. It's all about your skills and your determination. The most famous wargame, Bandit, is the perfect introduction to the Linux command line for aspiring hackers and anyone curious about cybersecurity. You SSH into their server, solve a challenge, get the password for the next level, and repeat. Each level builds on the last, making you think a little deeper every time. Bandit starts with the basics, finding files, reading contents, navigating directories, and gradually ramps up to more complex tasks like permissions, networking, and scripting. You'll learn by doing, not just by reading. By the end, you'll have real command line muscle memory and the confidence to tackle real-world problems. OverTheWire offers more advanced games too, Natus for web security, Leviathan for binary exploitation, Krypton for cryptography, and more. Each one is a new world of challenges. The beauty is in its simplicity. No distractions, just you, your mind, and the terminal. It's a pure test of skill and patience. Community support is old school, IRC channels and forum posts, but the info is gold. You'll find hints, discussions, and a community of learners just like you. You'll learn to read man pages, research solutions, and troubleshoot on your own. Crucial skills for any hacker or developer. OverTheWire is 100% free, requires no sign-up, and runs on any device with SSH. You can start right now, from anywhere. It's for purists and anyone who wants to master the basics from the ground up. Think of it as building a rock-solid foundation for your hacking journey. Completing Bandit should be a rite of passage for every aspiring hacker. It's a badge of honor in the community. Don't be fooled by its simple appearance. This is one of the most powerful and effective free tools out there for learning real hacking skills. Finally, VulnHub, your personal, offline hacking lab. Unlike the other platforms, VulnHub is a library of downloadable, vulnerable virtual machines. Download a VM, load it into VirtualBox or VMware, and you have a private target to attack at your own pace. The big advantage? Total control. Pause, snapshot, revert, no waiting for resets or sharing with others. Take as much time as you need to explore every vulnerability and technique. VulnHub's variety is huge, from beginner-friendly CTFs to realistic, complex corporate network simulations. Legendary series like Cybrary are perfect for learning the full pen testing methodology. There's no built-in hint system, but you'll find plenty of community-written walkthroughs if you get stuck. All you need is a decent computer and free virtualization software. VulnHub encourages you to build a real lab environment, teaching you sysadmin skills alongside hacking. It's ideal for self-starters who want to learn at their own pace, offline, and with full control. In summary, VulnHub is an endless supply of challenging targets, perfect for experimenting and solidifying your skills. There you have it, 5 incredible, completely free platforms to launch your ethical hacking journey. We've covered hands-on challenges, guided learning, deep theory, command line mastery, and offline labs. The only thing stopping you now is taking that first step. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one, sign up, and start learning. Capture your first flag, write your first exploit, and build momentum from there. All the links are in the description. Check them out and let me know which one you're most excited to try. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.